Yes.
That is very important.
You are,
What
you are
a-
really professional. You know the machine.
problem comes, it is not like if you have something here and then fold and then take out, then it will be perfectly fine.
Yeah, I told you like, it's easy. Just take out this one.
Okay.
It will be perfect. But now we need to spend many times to take out. So just
Okay.
let them know the idea. Okay?
So then these also will be removed. No,
That
this
can
will
move,
remain.
can move. These two ones can move.
Yeah, because that is the
Yeah.
problem. That is the problem. When it
Yeah.
comes like that,
Yeah,
so there should be some sort of kind of this, then it will have a perfect line.
yeah,
That
yes.
is very important.
You are,
What
you are
a-
really professional. You know the machine. I think you know the machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just
Okay.
want to explain to you more why they need to spend many times to make
This is
adjustment.
design for shirt.
design for the shirt，就是材质本来就是给那些 T 恤啊。
是美国订单，是折 T 恤、连衣裙之类些的，它是一件代发的，它后面可以连接快递打包分之类的。
So this machine is for the American client. It's the really big size T-shirt. So just the normal T-shirt, maybe just another model. It's the customized from the label and then make the package, make it express the
That's the
whole
same,
set.
same.
Yeah, whole set. So it's with the customized.
Okay.